Respected ZDO sir, chairman sir, principal sir, other staff members and my dear brothers and sisters, myself Sanjana Devi, student of class 7th in front of you is going to shower light on a very important topic, Clean India campaign. There is a proverb that cleanness is next to godliness. Our countrymen are religious minded, but towns, cities and villages are not very clean. Our Prime Minister recently launched a Clean India campaign. The campaign got off to a good start. The Prime Minister said that India should become a neat and clean country. This movement was inspired by patriotism. Who does not want to be known as a citizen of a neat and clean country? He also invited some prominent people to promote the causes of India cleanliness. Such programs were carried out by his minister and party men in different towns and cities. People took part in the cleanness drive with zeal. After the sweeping cleaning at various places, people felt encouraged by the change in the appearances of the places. The sanitation worker must do their duty with dedication. People living in mohallas, colonies must make sure that they keep their surroundings clean. Many of your countrymen urinate anywhere and everywhere. Foreigners often criticize India for being dirty and unclean. People must have the sanitation sense. Government must have this. People must have the sanitation sense. Government must drive it.